What is up, everyone? This is Moturtles, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the can't play this video error on your Android mobile device. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to basically play a video on your Android phone itself, the best way to fix this is most likely you have either this Photos app or a similar Photos app. So basically go to whatever photo app is where you're trying to play the video. Click into that like this and go into app info. Once you're in here, there's a few ways to go here. You can come here for settings as well. You want to go to storage and cache, and you want to do clear cache and clear storage as well. This might actually delete your photo, so just an FYI, I would recommend do this as like a final option in case you just have to get this issue fixed, right? Then come back over here, go to mobile data usage, and turn on the unrestricted mobile data usage section. So this is pretty much turned on. Then once you're back in here, do the forced stop app. This usually kind of does like a hard reset to the app itself, so I would highly recommend you to essentially do that. And with certain Google apps or phone apps like built in the phone, you can do disable. You can't uninstall them technically. Well, there's a way, but it's better to just disable and re-enable them as well, which is also kind of like a hard reset on the app itself. Once you follow these steps, you should be good to go, and you should be able to play the video and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please go on channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Moturtles out. Peace.